calipers? Not the calipers. Might be calipers one day. Fitting the coilovers to the MR2 today. Kind of forgot to video the first bit, but we would do that on the other side. Unfortunately, you've got to take the brake line out, which fits through there, which is, as you can see, rusty. But that's out now. That's undone. We've undone the ABS sensor wire as well, which again, like the rest of this car, rusty. And then we've got the 2 main bolts for the shock to undo. Drop link to undo at the back, which I believe TN have sent some new ones, so that's good. And the strut top, which we'll show you in a minute. Jesus, look how rusty that is.
Disgusting.
Madness. And then once I've shown Mike how to do it, he's going to do the other side, and we'll watch and laugh. Yeah, didn't see that. That's fucking ruthless, aren't you?
Fire for some of these things.
As you can see, as we explained, the car is a rusty turd. Well, the components bolted to it. So a bit of heat on that to release it. Not allowed oxyacetylene anymore, so we've got to use matte gas.
A little bit of flaming.
As long as you keep it in the blue bit, it's ready to rock and roll.
That's a lot of heat.
Yeah, well, we don't need the drop link, so it doesn't matter if we melt it.
I guess you're trying to.
No, not really, but the hotter it is, the easier it is to get it off. To let that heat. Well, that's the coilover installed in place. These don't have a helper spring for some reason, that's a bit loose. All bolts up, fits perfectly. The TN supplied drop link is twisted round 180 degrees, so rather than on the inside like Toyota did it, I nearly said Mazda, fits in perfect short and drop link so it misses the arm. So that's pucker, that's one side done. And then we'll get to doing the other side.
Oh man.
Brakes all bled, that fits back in. Tien did the right thing there and put a cutout in it rather than have to make you undo it. But nice, spotty dog, ready to go. Love it.
Everything else in this car is grim, look at them. Ugh.